I have officially joined the Jigsaw puzzle community. And tonight I'll be doing my first puzzle, the drive-in movies. It's super colorful, it's 1,000 pieces, and it's 24 inches by 30 inches. So it's not too small, and it's definitely not too big for my first puzzle. Let's get started. I sorted the edges from the middle pieces. We have a lot more middle pieces than we do edges. It took me about 15 minutes to find the first piece, but there we go. Well, we're about 30 minutes into the project and we have about 20 pieces done. So based off those calculations, we have a very long time to go. I have the whole border of the puzzle done, besides 3 missing pieces and some pieces of sky. I have no idea where they go. So I'm getting there, but this is the tricky thing about puzzling that I'm learning, is that when one piece goes missing, it may drive some people crazy. It may even lead to one quitting puzzling. Anyways, let's try to find those pieces. And it's done, my very first puzzle. It only took 5 weeks to do. I would say the difficulty level was like building a house, and the fun level was like sharpening a pack of colored pencils. So I would say it served its purpose. It kept my mind entertained, kept me busy. I would definitely do another puzzle again, but I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great night.